Hello friends, welcome back to Shia Sisters. Today we are gonna see how to make a translator in Scratch. So let's begin. Create a new sprite called thumbnail. I'm gonna make the thumbnail a bit simple. You can make the thumbnail however you want, just like making a background. Now I'm going to center the thumbnail sprite in the middle of the stage. Now I'm going to start decorating the thumbnail. So what we want the thumbnail sprite to do is, when the green flag button is clicked, it should turn invisible, and when the stop button is clicked, it should appear again. So here's the code for it. Now, as you can see, the idea worked. When the green flag is clicked, it hides, and when the stop button is clicked, it shows. Now, we're going to make the translator bot by easily clicking on the Paint a Sprite option. Now, I'm going to make a black colored backdrop. Now, click on the Add Extension button and click on the Translate option. Now let's add some code to the bot. It's not necessary that you have to choose only Japanese as the language. You can choose any other language from the drop-down menu.